You want to challenge me to a chairlifting contest?
Yep.
A leg lifting contest?
Yep.
Something called a thumb press contest?
Yep.
A quarter lifting contest?
Uh-huh.
And you think you're gonna win?
Yeah, probably not.
Long time.
Cheerio. Today we have some challenges for you. First challenge is going to be the leg raise challenge. Our second challenge, a quarter grab challenge. Third challenge, thumb press challenge. Fourth challenge, chair lift challenge. And last but not least is going to be the Cheerio challenge. Yeah, that's right, the kind of Cheerios you eat. Now these are called challenges, and they wouldn't be called a challenge if they were not difficult in some way. So you better bring your A game. The first challenge is leg raise challenge. You're about 2 feet away from a flat wall with a flat ground. Fall into the wall. Then you're gonna take that same leg, put it against the wall, and all you gotta do at this point is stand up with that other leg.
I'm gonna lean against the wall, move my foot, and try to pick this one up.
Yep.
Wait. Nope. One more time. Just one more time.
Maybe if I hug the wall I could do it. No, I'm just joking. Okay, maybe it's the wall. Yeah, that's gotta be it. It was just a bad wall, that's right. I mean, walls go bad all the time. Okay, you can do this. It's so hard! All right, this one is the quarter grab challenge. For this activity, you're gonna stand against the wall. All you're gonna simply do is take this quarter and you're gonna place it in the front of your toes. And then you just gotta pick it up. That quarter is right there in the ground. I'm simply gonna stand with my feet together and my back against the wall. That's super important. And all I gotta do is pick it up. I mean, that's easy, right? I've been picking up change off the floor my whole life. Oh. Ah!
Oh.
Okay, round 3, 4, maybe round 5. Backs against the wall. Oh my goodness, what is that over there? Look! Ha! Oh, I did it. Hopefully you didn't miss that. No? I didn't? I didn't do it? All right, so this is the well-known chair balance challenge. Stand against the wall. Simply take 1, 2 steps back. Take the chair that's sideways, place it in front of you. You're gonna take your head, you're gonna place it 90 degrees on the wall. Then put both hands on the chair. You have to lift the chair to your chest first. From here, all you gotta do is stand up. Any second now. All right, here I go, I'm standing. Yeah, that's no big deal, I'm just gonna stand up. All you gotta do is lift up. Didn't I say earlier they wouldn't be called challenges if they were easy? I think this chair's broken. We got a broken chair over here, it's not working right.
So you want me to step back 2 feet, put my head down, move this chair, put my head at 90 degrees, pick up the chair to my chest, and stand up?
What?
This was the challenge?
Now the chair balance challenge, for some reason, is one of those types of activities that is easier for women to complete than for men. All right guys, here goes the thumb press challenge. She's gonna sit in this chair, all she gotta do is stand up.
I can't get up.
Finger? Pinky?
Come on. Oh no, this is so hard.
All right, thumb press challenge. Let's do this. Oh. Let's go again. Oh. I finally won a challenge. And now for the greatest challenge of all time, the Egg Cheerio Challenge. All right, you see this egg? You see the Cheerio on top of the egg?
Yes.
Okay, so this challenge involves us trying to pick up that Cheerio with our mouth. But when you do it, you have to be about 2 feet away from the egg and the Cheerio, on your knees, and your hands have to be locked behind your back. You cannot take your hands and unlock them. Think you can do it?
Yes.
You do?
Yes.
Oh no.
I can't reach it. I can't do it.
Okay, so my knees and my feet have to be together. To be about this distance away. Put my hands behind my back. All I have to do is grab that Cheerio. Cheerio. Here we go. Oh. Alright, so the Cheerio challenge, I don't know if I'd advise that one. Alright, so those were our 5 challenges. These challenges all have to do about your center of mass. And the reason some of them were so difficult is it all depends on where your center of mass was in relation to the activity you were trying to do at that time. Until the next time, bye!